Hi guys, my name is Sabrina and welcome back to my channel. Today is the 17th of March and surely you know what that means. St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day everyone. I really wanted to mark today with a St. Patrick's Day related video, so I decided why not make my drawing completely in green, aside from the line art. So that is what I did. I started out by drawing the dress, which is not usually where I would start. Usually I'd start at the head, but I figured this would suit me a bit better today for some reason. So I started with the dress and then I worked up towards the shoulders and then the head, and I really like how the hair is turning out right now. It's one of my better hair drawings, I think. So that's where I started. And I was like, well, let's give her a big bows, big poofy dress. I wanted to have like the fluffy feel to it. So that's kind of where I went for. And for this drawing, because I'm doing everything in green, I am using my new Copic markers. By the way, they're absolutely amazing and I was so excited to use them. They're brilliant, absolutely. So I use 11 markers, 10 of which are shades of green. And I'll link the ones that I've used in the description box below. And if you've made single color drawings, let me know in the comments below and I'll try and check out your art. But yeah, that's where I went for hair. I really liked how it turned out. I had to make a few adjustments there with the dress. I didn't really like how the middle section turned out. I thought it was too many of the ruffles there, and so I changed it up to make like one ruffle instead of like 3. And it looks better. I'm calling them ruffles, I don't know what you call them. That's the downside of not being a native English speaker. But yeah, that's where I went for. And when I started to line the art, I went for like a bit thicker outlines and then the thinner lines for like the inside of the drawing. And I think it gives a nice effect as well. So let's just see what I'm gonna do with it and I'll see you at the end. So that was it, guys, the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I absolutely had a blast making this. I love green. It's my favorite color, so I was really happy that I got to use so many shades of green. It was so much fun. I did end up making like a small adjustment with like the shamrocks in the background. I thought that the big shamrocks alone weren't really finishing the look, so I ended up adding small shamrocks as well. And I think they just finished the look just a bit more, so I'm really happy I did that. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below. Have a good St. Patrick's Day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.